G'day, how's it going? I've got this dryer that's kicked the bucket. Time to scrap it out. Let's see how much copper it's got inside. Start by undoing all the screws on the back of the dryer. Don't throw them all away just yet. Keep a few because you'll need them for later. There's always one screw that you've missed. The drum, it just slots in place. Also there's a belt that goes around to spin it. Just take that out and remove the drum from the casing. Cut all the wire that goes to the compressor that would also go out to the boards. Get rid of that, and you want to get to this motor. That's where the cache is, so carefully take that out as well. Easy. I'm just taking the circuit board out there. There's not much on that circuit board, so you really don't have to take it out, but for the point of this video, just to see what's inside, I've decided to take it out. But if you want to leave it in, by all means leave it in. Take all the loose plastic and bits and pieces, throw it inside the casing, and with those screws you saved, just put it all back together. My favourite part, the motor. And that's alloy. Well, I made that harder than it should have been, but never mind. As you can see, that's steel. and that is alloy. Get this steel off and we are laughing. Alright, another motor to scrap out. Get a good grip. Grab yourself a hammer. Oops, sorry about the working. That is not budging. I thought that might be the case. Oh. So just knock them out like that with a screwdriver. Sure, it takes a little bit longer, but you get the job done. Alright, I've pushed them out a little bit. Let's see if I can pull them out the rest of the way. Nope, not a chance. So I don't know, maybe do you reckon I got them a little bit? The old hammer trick. Beautiful. Alright, so this is what we got out of the dryer. Some PVC cable, some copper, alloy, circuit board. Now I won't pretend I know much about circuit boards, but I'd assume it's fairly low quality. Little alloy, little motor, who knows. But here's a hot tip. These steel drums, especially around winter time, they sell like hotcakes. Now I can put this on a classified ad site like Gumtree, and I can sell this pretty quickly for 10 bucks. So that's probably the most valuable part of a dryer. Same goes with front loading washing machines. If you can get hold of these, they're worth selling separately, so don't scrap them. Alright, let's see what we got as far as weight wise goes. Let's start with alloy. We are sitting on about 400 grams. PVC wire. About 500 grams. All right, the copper. I'm going to say that's 750 grams. Well, there you have it. That's what you can expect to see out of a dryer. Of course, there's the housing and some of the motor components that are all made of steel. So you can put that in with your baling steel and you get a little extra cash that way also. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, subscribe. If you didn't, subscribe. And hey, catch you on the next one. Cheers. Bye.